Hey, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Optifine for Minecraft with ease. To get Optifine, you're going to need to install this. It is a Minecraft launcher that does Optifine. You can get it by downloading the exe file from the link below. It should take you to this site. From here, just download it. I already have it, so I will cancel the download. Once you have it, place it wherever you like, and just open it. Don't worry, it's completely safe. Once the loading screen is complete, you should get a window like this. Now, you just need to make a simple account. It won't require any login info. Just click the drop down, then hit create and manage. After that, hit add. Now, choose the free account and give it a name. Hit add account, then hit home. However, if you have a Minecraft account, you can also use that. Now the final step to get Optifine. You simply need to look for the Minecraft version you want, and Optifine written next to it, then click on that. Once done, just hit enter game and wait a bit. And there you have it, Minecraft Optifine. And for further proof that this is indeed Optifine, here is a little gameplay. Here you can see all the extra and advanced settings that comes with Optifine. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that. If it helped, please hit like on the video, and if you want more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Also check out other channels and videos on screen now.